Hi everyone, my name is Charu Hariharan. I'm really happy to be a part of the Hope Session, the special edition of Hope Session on the World Music Day. So wish you all a very happy day in this current music that's helping us ground ourselves, be happy, and settle our energies because of the current pandemic situation. Let's take this moment to celebrate this wonderful art of music. And I'm here to share a composition called Maitreem Bhajata. It's a composition on world peace and harmony, written by Kanchi Mahaperiyava. He's a saint who lived in India, in South India, and sung by M.S. Subbalakshmi. She is one of the like queens of Indian classical music. So yeah, it's my theme Bhajata that I'm going to share before you. So I'll sing a couple of lines first so that you can get familiar with the composition, and then I'll break it down little by little. I'm singing in a key of G, and if you're familiar with the scales, based on a major scale, but at times you will have a sharp fourth. There's a rag called Yaman Kalyan, so this is based on the rag Yaman Kalyan, Yaman Kalya, Yaman Kalyan. I hope it's audible and you can hear me quite clear now. Uh, yeah. So I'm just singing a couple of lines of the composition, and then I'll share the composition. मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजित्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजित्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजित्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजित्रीं आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्य आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत. Yeah, hi Audrey. Maitreem Bhajata. Is it better? Can you hear me? Sa Maitreem Maitreem Bhajata Akhilahrijitrim. Yeah, okay. Hi. So sorry for the technical issues. So I'll just sing the composition once again, and then I'll start teaching the composition. I hope everything is clear now. Sorry again. Maitreem bhajata akhilahrijitrim Maitreem bhajata अखिलहृजित्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजित्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजित्रीम् आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वाक्रममाक्रमणम् त्यजत परेष्वाक्रममाक्रमणम् मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीम्. So that's the first paragraph or the first section of the composition. I'm sure we would not have time for more. The entire song speaks about world harmony and how it's important to understand others and be respectful of friendships. So I hope they'll be uploading the lyric and the meaning. And I'll just recite the meaning of it also, so you can understand and just go through it. The first line, Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim, which means that let's conquer the hearts and everyone and serve everyone with friendship. Atmavadeva Parannapi Pashyata. Please think that also true. That's what it means. It's in Sanskrit. Then Yuddham Tyajata. Let's forsake wars. Spardham Tyajata. Let's competition with each other. Tyajata Pareshwa Kramam Akramanam. Let's forsake that greed to claim someone else's property or life or anything that's beyond us, so let's forsake all that and just live in harmony with each other. So that's what the competition going down little by little. If you can repeat after what I say, just so that you get the lyric right, it'll be interesting and it'll be easier for you to understand how to spell them. So I'll repeat word by word and then we'll go to the tune. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim. So J is always spelled as J. It's not Y like how it exists in a lot of European languages. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim. That's the first line. Second line is Atmavadeva Parannapi Pashyata. Atmavadeva Parannapi Pashyata. Yuddham Tyajata Spardham Tyajata. Yuddham Tyajata Spardham Tyajata. Tyajata Pareshwa Kramam Akramanam. So it's actually split into multiple, like the language has this advantage of grouping words together. So Tyajata Pareshwa Akramam Akramanam. That's how it splits. Just a second. Tyajata Pareshwa Akramam Akramanam. So that's how the lyric goes. I'll repeat the lyric once again. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim. Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim. Atmava Deva Parannapi Pashyata. Atmava Deva Parannapi Pashyata. Yuddham Tyajata Spardham Tyajata. Again, Yuddham Tyajata Spardham Tyajata. Tyajata Pareshwa Akramam Akramam. Let's say it together, which is Tyajata Pareshwa Kramam Akramanam. That line is a little complicated, I know. So I'll repeat it again. Tyajata Pareshwa Kramama Kramanam. Kramama Kramanam. So that's the lyric of the song. I hope you got it. If there's anything else, just write on the chat. I'll be more than happy to help you with the lyric. We'll go line by line. I'm currently singing in the key of G, and uh, since I said it's a major, almost all the major chords go along it. I don't usually use the sharp fourth in a chord because it just comes in a brief. It's not a note that stays when you sing. So I usually don't use the sharp fourth of the chord. I mean, a chord with a sharp fourth in it. Like if it's a G, I don't usually use like an A major or something like that. I hope I make sense. I mean, I'm not really well versed in Western, so I'm just trying. I usually think in terms of C, so that's how I know it. Anyway, so what I use is like a major 1, a minor 6th, a major 4, a major 5, and sometimes a major 7 in the 4th note, which is probably a C here. So C major 7th is a good chord as well that goes along with the main refrain. So I'm going to sing the line one by one, and we'll clear it out. Thank you, Sujeji, for that clarification. So first line, mm, Maitri Bhajata. The tricky part, we learned the melody, and the tricky part is how the song begins. It starts after a beat, so it's like Maitri Bhajata. That's how it goes. If it's better with the claps, do let me know, because then I can show it with the clap, and so you'll learn the rhythm along with the melody as well. So if that works for you, just give a thumbs up or a reaction. I think I'll get to know if that works. I'll start off. So if you have any doubts, just get back to me, or if it should be a certain way, let me know that as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Maitri Bhajata. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maitri Bhajata. 2, 3, 4. Maitri Bhajata. That's the first section. Next, we look at how Akhila Hrijetrim comes. Akhila Hrijetrim. That also starts after beat, which is Akhila Hrijetrim. Akhila Hrijetrim. Akhila Hrijetrim. Akhila Hrijetrim. Akhila Hrijetrim. Akhila Hrijetrim. That's the second section. We'll sing both the lines together now. 1. Maitri Bhajata. Akhila Hrijetrim. Maitri Bhajata. Akhila Hrijetrim. Maitri Bhajata. Akhila Hrijetrim. Maitri Bhajata. Akhila Hrijetrim. That's the first line. Is everything clear? I hope things are fine. So moving on to the next sentence. Atmava Deva Parannapi Pashyata. I'll repeat it again. Atmava. So A is a long A. Atmava Deva. Deva. That E is also a longer E. So Atmava Deva Parannapi Pashyata. That's the second line. That also starts after that one. Atmava. It starts after a beat. So this is the second line, how it goes. Atmavadeva, 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 Atmavadeva. That's Atmavadeva. And Parannapi, the Pa will start on the beat before. So as a continuation to Atmavadeva. So this is how it will go. One. Atmavadeva. Until then, it's one single phrase. Ranapi pashyata, it comes in the next bar. So I cannot split it in terms of meaning, but I can split it in terms of your understanding of how the word splits by when you sing. So one. Atmavadeva pa. Until then, it comes into one section. Let's do that a couple of times so it's more clear. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Atmavadeva pa. Atmavadeva pa. Atmavadeva pa. Atmavadeva pa. Okay. And the next line starts with Ranapi Pashyata. It's it's not befitting the meaning, so don't take it that way. It's Paranapi Pashyata in terms of the meaning, but I'm just splitting so that it's clear when you sing it. And because the rhythm is a little tricky, Indian compositions are that way. So anyway, from Ranapi Pashyata comes in the next part. Ranapi Ra Gamadani sa 3, 4, 5 Na Gamadani 3, 7 the first note. So Ra. So when you see there, it's a sharp fourth. It's not a normal or a natural fourth. Ra will be a natural. Ra is a sharp fourth. So at times this composition has the sharp four. And the raga I told earlier, I don't know if the audio was clear, is called Yaman Kalyan. In South India, we call it Yamuna Kalyani. So that's the raga. And it's based on an 8-beat cycle called Aditala. So Ran Napi Pashyata. Let's just get to that section. Ra is 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, which is the higher octave first note. So Ra, it comes as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Ran, Ranapi, Ranapi. That's how it comes. So Ranapi Pashyata. So Ranapi Pashyata. Ranapi Pashyata. Ranapi Pashyata. Ranapi Pashyata. Ranapi Pashyata. In Indian way, you take it from like each note you connect with the other note. So it's Ranapi. It's not Ranapi. That's more like drawing a graph. But Ranapi is the way you sing it if you're singing an Indian voice. So if you want to try that as well, I'll sing a couple of times so you can repeat. 3, 4. Ranapi Pashyata. Ranapi Pashyata. Ranapi Pashyata. Ranapi Pashyata. Let's mix it with the other line. Atmava Deva Paranapi Pashyata. So Atmava Deva Pa will be in the first bar. Ranapi Pashyata will be in the second bar. So let's see how it goes. Even that begins one beat after. Okay. So 1. Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata. Sorry. Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata. 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 Once more. Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata. That's the second line. Should we go through the first line again? I'm sure we would require that anyway. but I'll just go to the first line just once or twice, and then we'll go through the rest of the composition. So, 1. Maitrim bhajata akhila hrijetrim. What I usually do with the lyric is recite the lyric like how do I say, like a rap. That makes it much more easier for me to understand the rhythm it's in. So it's always skipping one beat. So if you say like my bhajata akhila je trim, my trim bhajata akhila je trim, मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं. If you have any doubt, just go to rap and rap the lyrics out so you'll know the places correctly, and then keep the tune. Because once you get that, you wouldn't lose your focus on the melody, because that is a little harder compared to the melody, I guess. So rap the lyric out first if you're getting a confusion somewhere, and then recite and then sing the song. So, Maitrim bhajata akhilahrijetrim. That's the first line, and the melody goes as Maitrim bhajata akhilahrijetrim. Second line, आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत. आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत. आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत. आत्मवदेव परानपि pashyata. So this is the second line, and the melody goes like Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata. Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata. Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata. Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata. That's the second line. The third and the fourth line are the relatively easier ones. So I hope you can have a sigh of relief, which is the Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata. So dha is something very important for us. Dha comes from the back of your throat. It's not the dha, it's dha, where the and her come together. So Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata. And as I said earlier, J is spelled as J. It's not Y like in European languages. So Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata. Okay. So how does it rap? We'll have a look at that and then go to the melody. So Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata, Yuddham, Yuddham, Yuddham. Yeah, so Yuddham. So it can be like Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata, Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata, Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata, Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata. So that's how we play. So if you go to the melody, it's Yuddham Tyajata, Yuddham Tyajata, which is the 6 5 6 5 6 in terms of the notes. So Yuddham Tyajata. Okay. And the next one is Spardham Tyajata. Spardha means fight. Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata. Let's leave competition, let's leave war. That's what it is. So Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata, Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham tyajata. Yeah, that's clear. Let's go to the next line, which is tyajata pareshwa kramanam. So again, tyajata pareshwa, tyajata pareshwa kramanam, which is kramam akramanam. In Sanskrit, we split it like that. So tyajata pareshwa kramanam. Let's say that for convenience sakes because it's easier to learn the lyric that way. So tyajata pareshwa kramanam. Kramanam. So that krama still remains the same. It's just the third word or the third alphabet that changes in both. Kramanam. Okay. So we'll wrap it out again. I'll just sing it for once to just cross check. Tyajata pareshwa kramanam. Okay. So tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Okay, so that's the line. Tyajata pareshwa. Let's see how to sing that. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Is that clear? Or should I go over it again? I'll rap it once and then sing the melody again. So Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Now the melody. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Tyajata pareshwa. Yeah. And next one you have kramanam. That's how it raps also. So kramanam, which is kramanam. 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 Okay, that's how it raps. And the melody is kramanam. 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 So kramanam. 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 That's how it sounds. So let's just do kramaman just in rap and in melody, and then we'll join Tyajata pareshwa together. So kramanam. Kramanam. Melody. Kramanam. 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 Let's go to Tyajata pareshwa kramanam. That's the last line. So we'll rap it once through the entire line and then sing the melody. So Tyajata pareshwa kramanam. Tyajata pareshwa kramanam. Once more. Tyajata pareshwa kramanam. Now the melody. 3, 4. Tyajata pareshwa kramanam. Tyajata pareshwa kramanam. Tyajata pareshwa kramanam. Tyajata pareshwa Kramamakramana. So that's the entire melody. I hope things are clear. I'll just sing through the entire song once again. Or should I rap it once? Maybe that's better. So you get to understand the rhythm once again. So I'll rap it through once and then I'll sing. So every line I'll be singing twice. So it's a little more clear. And then I'll sing the melody. Okay? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maitrin bhajata Akhilahrijatrim. Maitrim bhajata Akhilahrijatrim. Once more. Maitrim bhajata Akhilahrijatrim. Next line. Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata. Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata. Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata. Atmavadeva paranapi pashyata. Yuddham त्यजत स्पर्धाम त्यजत युद्धम त्यजत स्पर्धाम त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणम त्यजत परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणम. So that's the rap. Now let's get to the melody. I'll sing each of the lines twice or sometimes thrice, so you can repeat after me. For sure, I'll sing the second line 4 times or something, because that's the most complicated one. So we'll go through once again. Sa, that's the key. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Maitri bhajat Akhilahrijatrim. Maitri भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं. Second line. आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत. Once more. युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणं त्यजत परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणं. Once more. त्यजत परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणं. And comes back to Maitrim Bhajata Akhila Hrijetrim. So is there any doubt or questions regarding it? If I have to sing it a couple of times more, I'd be more than happy to do that. Okay. I think we'll go through the melody a couple of more times, and then let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maitrim bhajata akhilahrijetrim. Maitrim bhajata akhilahrijetrim. Maitrim bhajata akhilahrijetrim. Maitrim bhajata akhilahrijetrim. आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत once more युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत 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 परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणम् त्यजत परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणम् त्यजत परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणम् त्यजत परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणम्. Back to refrain. मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्री मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्री. Well, we almost composition, the first phrase of the composition. Let's go to a rough arrangement of the composition because we have almost 20 minutes or roughly 15 minutes now. So let's say the first line, Maitri is A. Second line, Atmavadeva is B. Yuddham Tyajata is C. And Tyajata Pareshwa Kramamakramanam, the last line is D. So in that case, I'm just going to type it down here, how the arrangement is going to be. Since Maitrim Bhajata is a key concept of the song, which says harmony is something that we have to look forward to, you know. So Maitri is harmony. So Maitrim Bhajata, let's keep that line 4 times. Atmavadeva Parannapi Pashyata is twice. Atmavadeva Parannapi Pashyata. Yuddham Tyajata, Spardham Tyajata, which is C, is twice. And D is also twice. And then back to the main phrase again, which is Maitrim Bhajata, sing it twice and end it. In fact, for arrangement's sake, let's say the second line, which is the B, is also nice to be repeated a couple of more times, because when I performed once with Peter Russo, who is a wonderful ethno leader from Sweden, he arranged a song for us, and then he took that B phrase and he wanted to increase the number of times so that he could explore the chords in it. So he usually did a progression there. I don't remember the chords exactly. I'm not that well versed at it, but I think it was more like a progression from the second, third, fourth, and then fifth or something like that. So it sounds quite nice repeating the B phrase 4 times. So let's keep it that way for now. So A4, B4, C2, D2, back to A2. I've just typed it down and I'm sending it. So that will be the arrangement. Let's go through the arrangement that way. And as Sucheji rightly said here, the idea is to keep the chords simple so that the melody can roam freely, because Indian music is a lot about the melody and not about the harmony of arrangements like that. So it's very, very important to let the melody flow, and the chords should be in a way that just supports the melody, and the melody always takes the front face compared to other forms of music like Western classical music or something, because it's more like a melody oriented tradition. So yeah, let's this current arrangement that I've just posted here and see how it sounds like. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Maitrim bhajata किल हृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिल हृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीम् आत्मवदेव परानपि आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत त्यजत परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणम् त्यजत परेष्वा क्रममाक्रमणम् मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीम्. That's the end of the composition. Sing a little embellishment here. I mean, when you sing it in the Indian way, which I can probably sing it now that we have shared the composition, there are so many embellishments and decorations that we do as a part of singing the melody. So I'll do that once. These are the ways a melody can be improvised when you learn the tradition. And they are not straight notes, they have connections between the notes, and that is what has the beauty of the notes. It's not the notes, but the spaces between the notes that are explored. So I'll just sing it once for you. And maybe simple embellishments is something that we can learn through. Okay, so Maitri Bhajata Bhajata is what we sing instead of Bhajata Bhajata. If you can sing that, that sounds really nice. So Maitri Bhajata Akila Hृजे Akila Trim uses the same sort of a gamaka, is what we say, a sort of same decoration there. So it's Maitri Bhajata Akila Hृजे Trim Maitri Bhajata Akila Hृजे Trim Maitri Bhajata Akila Hृजे Trim. That's another one. Akila Hृजे Trim. So just on the first note, like and then just connecting to this third note. So straight from G to B, I guess. So Maitri Bhajata Akila Hृजे Trim Maitri Bhajata Akila Hृजे Trim. That's the first line. Next one is Atmavadeva Paranapi Ranapi is what we sing, and I break it down. That's how it sounds like. So Ranapi na 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 is how the notes go. So Ranapi Pashyata Pashyata. That's also an embellishment. So Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata Atmavadeva Paranapi Pashyata. Next one is the same. Yutham Tyajata. You have two ways of singing, which is Yutham or Yutham. Both of them are right. It's more the sort of emphasis that you want to give with the lyric. So Yutham Tyajata Spartham Tyajata Yutham Tyajata Spartham Tyajata Tyajata Pareshwa. So Tyajata Pareshwa Kramamakramanam. when we sing it, it's Tyajata Parishwakramakramanam. That's the way we sing it in classical, like South Indian classical way. But that to be taught is a very short span of time here, which is a lot of intricacies and a lot of little details. And it also comes as a part of learning the language of South Indian music or Carnatic music. So it's not something that I can just easily share it here in terms of notes, because there are so many little details that needs to be worked on. So it's Tyajata Parishwa Kramama Akramanam. You are touching the ah, ah, ah. It's actually touching the sharp fourth. Kramama Akramanam. Kramakramanam. That's how it's sung. So I hope things are clear. If you have any doubts, you can feel free to just write it down here on the right side of your screen, where you can see the session and the chat window. So if you have any questions on the composition, you can just type them here. I'll also teach just one small line of this composition that I haven't shared, because I thought the composition would not be will not be completed in this session. I thought it will be too much. So I'll just write the very last, which says Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Janana, which says hail everybody on this planet, everybody on earth, basically. So I'll write that, and there is a melody for that, which is like a chorus melody where everyone sings together, or it's more like a prayer. Shreyo Bhuyat. Shreyo means hail. Bhuyat is anyone who is on the earth. Bhu is earth. So Bhuyat Sakala means all. Jananam. Jananam means people who are living on the earth. Let them all hail. That's what it says. That's the last line. Shreyo. I'm sorry, I made a mistake there. It's Shreyo. It's O instead of A. So Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Janana. The rhythm goes like Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Almost like Tyajata Parishwa Kramama Kramanam. Almost like that. So Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. So that's the way it is wrapped around. And the lyric is in the melody, it sounds like this. Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Shreyo, which is a third. Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Sharp fourth here, if you observe. So Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Next is Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. The rhythm doesn't change of the melody. It's more like a louder calling by the end. Let's all hail, or hail the people on the earth. That's what it says. So Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Sakala Jananam. Na 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 na. That's the second line. There's a second melody for the same line. The next melody is Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. You just stop it there. That's how it's sung usually. So after completing Maitreem Bhajata, it goes back to Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. I'll sing the melody again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. Once more. Shreyo Bhuyat Sakala Jananam. श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां. Second line. श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां. श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां. श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां. That's the second line. Third one, the same line with the new melody. श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां. Once more. श्रेयो भूयात् sadani sa, which is 1671. So श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां, and it ends there. So that's the entire composition. I'll sing the composition through once again because we have time, and the same arrangement as it is written. So if you want to play your chords, if you want to sing along, if you want to play some percussion, you can do anything. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Maitrim bhajata akila hrijetrim. Maitrim bhajata akila hrijetrim. Maitrim bhajata akila hrijetrim. Maitrim bhajata akila hrijetrim. आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत. आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत. आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत. आत्मवदेव परानपि पश्यत. युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत. युद्धं त्यजत स्पर्धां त्यजत. त्यजत परेष्वाक्रममाक्रमणं. Sorry. त्यजत परेष्वाक्रममाक्रमणं. त्यजत परेष्वाक्रममाक्रमणं. मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं. मैत्रीं भजत अखिलहृजेत्रीं. श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां. श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां. श्रेयो भूयात् सकलजनानां. So that's how it ends, and that's the entire composition. I hope things are clear and you got the structure of the composition. If there is any doubt, you can just feel free to write on Ethno World page, or just send a message to me, or whomever is concerned with the current space. But I thank you all so much. I thank Ethno World. I thank the wonderful World Music Pop-Up Festival. Sorry, just one second. I was just reading out what was sent out here. So I thank you all for being there here. And I thank the World Music Pop-Up Festival and the entire Ethno family for having arranged this fantastic sharing platform where we all can come together, at least virtually, on this day. And we all know the current situation. It's really hard to meet people and share music, or share good times with each other. But even though it's a virtual platform where I cannot see you all, I can feel your presence, and I'm with you, and I'm really, really happy and grateful for this opportunity. And you can, so basically the entire structure and the composition. If there's anything that you want to ask or clarify, you can just type it down here. Or if you have any doubts that I should be clarifying now before we end the session, I'd be more than happy to do that. Hi, Matt. Uh, really happy to see you here. I saw your message earlier, but I think I was a little nervous to get the mic set up and everything ready. Thank you, Audrey. Thank you for all the technical support. Thank you, Durgesh. Thank you, Suchet ji. Thanks for coordinating and just writing down everything on the chat and letting everyone know about this. Hi, Melody Zambuko. Really nice to see you. I saw your message. Thank you for being here, and I'm looking forward to the rest of the sessions that is coming up. And I hope all of you have a great day. Wish you a World Music Day. It's Yoga Day as well, I guess, and it's Father's Day. So many days coming together. So let's all make the best of today and the days to come, and let's all keep safe and pray that everything just gets healed. Shreyo Sakala Jananam. Let's hail that everyone lives a happy life, and let's hail that the people living in the planet are safe and sound and healthy. So that's a song for you. Take care, and we'll catch up soon with some other session, and have a nice day. Bye bye.